Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious salted caramel and apple cupcakes. So you want to start off by peeling your apples. Now I'm using green cooking apples. You want to use a cooking apple because it's going to give this a real tartness which a eating apple isn't going to give. So I'm just taking all of that skin off. And then I'm using a box grater and I'm just going to grate it. I'm using the coarsest setting and that's going to mean we get these little pieces of apple, which is going to be really delicious in our cake. Then I'm just going to dump that into a bowl and we're going to get started on our cupcake mix. So into a large bowl we're going to sieve self-raising flour, caster sugar, then I've got a little bit of bicarb and a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to add in some soft unsalted butter and 2 eggs. Now if you want all the details of the ingredients and quantities and methods, they will all be in the description box below. Now I've got a tiny bit of salted caramel extract. Now you can buy this from most supermarkets nowadays. And I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of that and then I'm using my electric handheld mixer to just whisk that all together. Now you want to do this for about a minute or two until you get this light fluffy batter. To this we're going to add in all of that apple. And using a spatula, I'm just going to fold that through our batter. Then we're going to scoop that into our cupcake cases. I'm using my ice cream scoop as usual. And then they are going to bake at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they're baked and cool, we'll get going with the icing. So I've got some salted caramel and I'm using a spatula. I'm sort of taking a dollop of it and striping up one side of the bag. Now you want to be careful not to spread it around too much because you want to keep it on one side. Then we're going to take a spoonful of buttercream and again being nice and gentle, we're just going to sort of drop it into the bag and then wipe it on the side. This is going to create a really nice sort of marbly vanilla and caramel effect. Then all I'm going to do is just pipe a blob of this onto our cupcakes. So I'm just squeezing towards the edges and then releasing and pulling off. And I'm using a French tip for this, it's got loads of little teeth and it's going to give this really nice effect. And that is literally it. It's so simple and they're so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. You can subscribe if you're not already. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.